In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer file ownership in Google Drive. Transferring ownership is a useful feature when collaborating with others or handing over control of shared projects. By the end of this guide, you'll be confident in navigating the steps necessary to pass on file control seamlessly. To start, open your web browser and go to the Google Drive homepage. You can simply type Google Drive into your search engine or enter the URL drive.google.com directly into the address bar. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into the correct account that has access to the files you want to change. Now look through your Google Drive to find the file or folder for which you'd like to transfer ownership. Once you've located the file, click on the three vertical dots, which are usually found next to the file name. This will bring up a drop-down menu with several options. If you're viewing the file in a grid layout, you'll find these dots when hovering over the file with your cursor. It's a small icon, but it packs a lot of power for managing your files. As you hover over the menu, you'll see various options appear. The next place you want to land is the file information. Just hover over it, you don't need to click yet. This will shift your attention to another submenu where you'll find more specific actions related to your file. Once you see the option for details, go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to managing the more subtle and crucial aspects of the file settings. With a click, a right-hand panel appears showing a comprehensive summary of the file details, including those who have access. In this panel, you will see an option titled Manage Access. Click on this option to explore who can view or edit your file. Access management is especially important when working with sensitive or collaborative materials that require multiple stakeholders' input. Now, navigate to where it says Editor beside the name of the person you wish to transfer ownership to. Here you have the opportunity to adjust their permissions. Click on the word Editor and a new menu will drop down. Select the option Transfer Ownership. After selecting Transfer Ownership, Google will prompt you with a confirmation box. It's a crucial step as transferring ownership is a significant shift in control. Go through the details one more time to ensure everything is in order. Once you're ready, confirm the transfer and Google will notify the new owner about the change in status. And there you have it, you've successfully transferred ownership of a file in Google Drive. This process ensures smooth transitions in project management, keeping everyone in the loop. Remember, only the current owner has the authority to transfer the ownership, so plan accordingly with your collaborators. Thanks for following along and happy sharing.